Hello, in front of me I've got Jedi Survivor. In this video I'll show you how to adjust mouse sensitivity and axis. In the beginning, let's go to options and now go to controls. Now you can adjust mouse sensitivity X, Y, you can invert mouse X axis, invert mouse Y axis, you can adjust controller look sensitivity for X and for Y. You can invert Y-axis, invert X-axis, invert X-axis in flight controls, and invert Y-axis in flight controls. In the end, you can reset controls to settings. The defaults. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.